Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you the fidgets that I want. Wait lang, nag-loading. Kung mag-loading. Ano ka ba? Ba't ka nag-loading? Ito. I want a simple dimple.
What's that?
A simple dimple.
Let me see.
This one. Yeah.
What's that?
A simple dimple.
Simple dimple what? A fidget toy?
Yeah, a fidget toy. A dimple digit.
What's that? Oh,
A bigger,
what do you call that?
A dimple digit.
a bigger version of Simple Dimple.
Yeah. Puzzle. A puzzle ball.
Puzzle ball?
Yes. Globbles.
Globbles. That is the ball
Globbles.
that can stick to walls and can stick to
Your
one another.
So I'm gonna save the best for last.
It's like a squishy globbles.
Ito. Single.
What's that?
Single.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a string where you can just
Ganun, ganun.
How to use it?
Tangle
How to play it?
Like this.
you will just then that.
Bike chain. A bike chain.
What's that?
Bike chain.
Bite chain.
I'm gonna
If
save.
you were to choose two fidget toys, which
Ah.
will you choose?
Wait lang. A puppet.
What's that?
A puppet.
Pop it.
Puppet.
That's one. You have two choices. So choose wisely.
Two more.
Two more.
Two more. So choose wisely.
A snapper.
Oh, a snapper.
A snapper. What's that?
It's supposed to snap it with your hands.
What?
You're supposed to press it until it snaps.
Okay.
Last one. You said choose wisely, right?
What are you doing?
Finding some fidgets. Now I know.